Hi, it's Michael again. Today I'm going to be talking about adjusting timing. My Miata doesn't come with the ability to adjust timing stock. So what I did was I bought an adjustable timing wheel from Flying Miata. I'll put a picture right here of what it looks like. Flying Miata's YouTube channel has a really detailed video on timing and why you would want to adjust it and the benefits. So I'm not going to get too much into that, but I will say that the car does run a little more peppier with the timing advance. Anyway, today I'm going to go over how I'm going to go about adjusting the wheel and verifying timing so that I know that it's at 12 or 14. I think I'm going to run 12. With that, let's get to it. For me to adjust the timing, I'm going to need a timing gun, a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket and a short extension, some wire for a jumper. That's to set the engine into diagnostic mode so that you can read base timing. I think that's about it. Alright, in order to access the wheel to adjust it, you're going to take off this intake pipe. Next, you're going to want to loosen the 4 bolts on the crank pulley. You're basically just loosening them enough so that you can wiggle the pulley. Because what we're looking to do is we're looking to turn the wheel that's behind this pulley. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wiggle it a little bit. Loosen these a little bit more. I have to set some grips up. Okay, that's all the way retarded now. So what I'm going to try to do is advance it now. That's all the way advanced. So I think that's about where it originally was. A little bit further back. Okay. So I'm going to tighten these bolts and check timing. Okay. Okay, you're supposed to check timing with the car warm, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm warming it up to regular temperature. It's just about there, so I'm going to shut it off and short the pins on the diagnostic port from the 10 pin to the ground, and that should put it in the mode for us to check timing. Alright, so here's the diagnostics port. And the pins that I want are that one and that one. So now I'm going to start the car and we'll check timing. Idle should be about 850 and nothing should be on in the car. Check timing, I had to hook up the timing light to the #1 spark plug. So the timing light. Hook up the ground and hook up the positive source, which I actually have kind of a different aftermarket accessory 12 volt, but it works. You can also hook it to the alternator positive post, or there is a spot, there's a bolt in the fuse box that has a 12 volt source, but that's kind of tricky. It's very tight in there. We're going to point the light down. See the mark in the red. Looks like it's at 14, it's actually at 12 writing. Okay, so that concludes the timing adjustment. I have it set at 12. I was looking for either 12 or 14, and I ended up with 12, so that's good. It's a little more than stock. It makes just a little improvement that goes a long way. All that's left to do is take everything off and it's ready to go.